The Marabu StarLam is a powerhouse liquid laminator designed for high-performance liquid laminating. If you're looking to maximize your production efficiency, this video will walk you through practical tips and techniques to get the most out of your StarLam. Efficiency starts with proper setup. Begin by ensuring your StarLam is clean and well maintained. Residual liquid laminate or debris can slow down your workflow and affect the quality of your output. Check that the rollers are free of buildup and aligned properly. Misalignment can cause uneven application, leading to rework and delays. When setting your speed and heat settings, always consult with a Marabu tech engineer for your media and laminate being used. For most applications, a medium speed and heat with proper media tension will deliver optimum results. The StarLam is designed to circulate the liquid laminate with a double filtration system. Always keep your laminate levels consistent to ensure uninterrupted production. Refilling mid-project can create downtime and disrupt workflow. Efficient media handling is another key to increased production. Always load your media straight and tight to prevent wrinkles or skewing. For large rolls, use the built-in tension adjustment to keep the media aligned. This prevents jams and reduces the need for manual intervention. Be prepared with a take-up reel or an area to roll out your prints immediately. This minimizes handling time between jobs and keeps your workspace organized. Routine maintenance is essential to keep your StarLam running smoothly. At the end of each production day, drain and clean the reservoir to prevent buildup and ensure consistent performance. Wiping down the mire bar with a soft, damp cloth and check for any wear or tear. Marabu's new Mire Magic is specifically formulated to aid in the cleaning of your mire bars. Addressing small issues early can prevent costly downtime later. With the right setup, techniques, and maintenance, the Marabu StarLam can help you increase production and keep your workflow running smoothly. Have more questions? Contact our team at 888-893-4668 or visit marabucoatings.com for expert advice and resources. Happy laminating!